It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and it's box time again. Got another one in. Let me get some light, brighten this up a little bit, and get a knife and everything, get settled, and I'll be right back. So I'm back in and I am ready to jump into this box, see what it is. I think I got some samples and maybe one or two fragrances. I can't remember. It all starts to run together. So got my knife out and here we go, just chopping into the box. So, yeah, so things have been pretty good here lately. It's been, the temperature's been up and down. It's been hot for a lot of days. We had a hot advisory where the temperature was really high. I mean, we got some hot weather, really hot weather. All right, let's see what we have in here. Okay, bunch of paper. Oh, okay. Let me sit this down here, so I don't have to hold it the whole time. I guess I should have set this up first, but okay, this is the first one. This is Monocline 01. And I saw this is supposed to be a rendition or a clone of Molecule 01. So hence the name and the box, the bottle design. I mean, the box design looks just like the Molecule 01 boxes. And this is the sample that I got. I can't remember what the sample is. Can't remember what the name is. And this writing is so small, I can't see it, but I will try to show you guys. It's a niche fragrance, and I saw it, and for some reason it grabbed my attention, got me interested in it. So I just figured I'd get a sample of it before trying to purchase the whole bottle. I think the whole bottle was like something crazy. I think it was like $2.75 or something like that. But a sample, I think it ended up being like $20. Oh, and this is Sceptre. Malachite, and from what I've heard, this is supposed to be a clone of God of Fire. One of the clones that they have another one out now, Vulcan Fleur and Vulcan Flu, I think, and it's another one. I think they have like maybe about 5 God of Fire samples, I mean clones out, but I haven't smelled God of Fire, so I don't know if I even like it. I saw this one and it just looked like it was going to be pretty interesting. I figured I'd pick it up. Let's see, what else do we have in here? I think that's all I purchased. And this is, some samples. There's one. I guess I probably will check out the samples also. And this is Limitless. The name will probably come in better for you guys than it will for me. And let's see, it's another sample in here. Oh, this is exceptional for women. I've seen that one before. And a little eyeglass, and then a bunch of little papers and things. Oh, look at this. This is the paper for that Limitless one that I saw. Is that gonna come in focus? There it is. So I guess I'll check that out, and let's see, do they have one for the other one? I don't even know what the other one was called. All right, so that's what we have. I guess I'm gonna leave out the Limitless because we can check that out since it's a little paper right up on it. Put that there. Let's jump right into the first one. This one is Monocline 01. This one again is supposed to be a clone of Molecule 01. So I'm not sure if it's the eccentric molecule or just the Molecule 01. So go. All right, and let's see, the box seems to be pretty basic. Yeah, just a really basic box with the one flap over the top to hold it in place. The back of the box has some information there. If you want to, you can check it out, pause and check it out. On the sides, I think it's just a design for the Molecule 01, like the lines going across, and then the front is there. On the bottom is the barcode and little bit of information, and on the top is the Maison Alhambra's logo. So let's jump right into this. Let's get a tester strip. Let's see if it actually smells like Molecule 01. If it does, it'd be great because I can use it as a layering, because Molecule 01 is just a it's a scent that you can wear by yourself. Oh, you see it sprayed automatically, instantly. Oh, yeah, it does kind of smell like Molecule 01, but it smells more like a smells like a lighter version of the oud, glorious oud. It's a white bottle that I put it on the list recently. It's a white bottle, looks like those like the body oud bottles, and the bottles, and it's one of those, but it's not by that same company. But yeah, that's what this smells like. Smell like a lighter version of that. Maybe a little bit more with the like the woods, but it's like a light wood. It's like a almost like a cedar wood, but a watered down cedar wood. You know what? I'm here. I'll go ahead and get a spray on my skin, see how it is. Okay, you guys remind me, this is the Molecule 01 in case I forget. All right. Oh, and let's look at the bottle. Here's the front of the bottle. Maison Alhambra. It kind of has the Molecule 01 design, and then the lines going across, it kind of have that also. The top, it kind of snug in place. It doesn't snap in place, but it's snug. You probably can pick it up from the top, but just be aware if you try to pick it up from the top. Be cautious. Let's jump into the next one. We'll go with this one. Wait a minute, what happened to that sample that I had? Okay, we'll find that in a minute. So, Sceptre Malachite. Let's go with this. Chop in, get in there. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Okay, so this one has a slip cover this way. Oh, I'm looking at, and there's the front of the box. Here's the slip cover. It has the information on the back, Maison Alhambra symbol on the top, and the barcode on the bottom. I'm looking at this. I pulled this out like this. I'm not sure. This is actually the front though. Here's the front. It's a gold front. Oh, I think it's the front. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So, learning as we go. So this was the top, and the fragrance was supposed to be sitting in here like that. Okay. Pretty nice presentation. Not bad. It's not bad. Let's get a top. Oh, and let's look at the bottle. Here it is. Pretty basic bottle. They're coming into focus. And then the top has the Maison Alhambra symbol on it. The bottom is engraved with the spray information. Ooh, that's a nice sprayer. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, that's different. That's nice. It's strong though. It's strong. It's like a strong minty vibe to it. Wow. Oh yeah. This is kind of nice. It's kind of nice. That's the opening is a little strong though, but I think this might be a banger for the summertime. This is God of Fire. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay, the mint, that minty vibe is not as strong on the skin. It kind of comes off, it hits real quick and then it fades, but it's kind of coming off as like almost a little candied. Like not like a super strong candy, but like you know those Easter candies that you get, like the hearts, the sweet tarts, the hearts with the little sayings on it, like I love you or be mine or whatever. It kind of gives me that kind of vibe. But this is nice. This is something definitely could be unisex. I think it's actually marketed for men, but this could be unisex. Your girl could wear this. All right. Nice. I like that one too. So, okay, we got 2 for 2. Not bad. And let's go with this one. I'll put the name up, but I can't see the right. Wait a minute. Maybe it's on here. I'll put the name up. Okay, so I probably should go straight on skin with this one. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. This smells upscale, but it smells like, is that amber? It's almost like an amber with oh man, I can't, not cedarwood, but like sandalwood. That's what it kind of smells like. Oh my goodness. I have to oh man, that's nice. I like that. Oh man. I'm gonna put this on skin too. Okay, this is the Sceptre. This one is Molecule. Oh, now this starting to really smell like Molecule now because it's really, really light. So let's see how this smells on skin. Oh my goodness. It's a little bit alcohol-y, a little bit, but it's fading like quick. The alcohol, it's not a blast. It's just, it smells like it's not mixed all the way through and through, like, but it's gone now. Oh yeah, this one is more of a cozy scent. Oh man, this is nice. Woo wee! But not sure if it's nice enough where I want to buy a full bottle. I don't know if I want to crack open for 200. I'll have to wear it and see how it feels with me on the skin. Then I'll make a choice about actually purchasing the bottle. All right, last one is this one here, the Limitless. That's not even one that I ordered, but they put it in here. I guess they thought maybe it's something I would like. Oh man, don't tell me this is not a sprayer. Oh, it is. But where is the opening? Okay. Oh. Oh no. This is, I mean, not oh no. This is very feminine leaning. This smells like flowers. Smell like I just walked into a florist shop. Man. Um Not something that I will wear, but I think on a female it might be pretty nice. Limitless. But yeah, I don't know who it's by. I guess I'll put the name up. But this is alright. This is alright. Not bad. And it has a little booklet that came with it. So I guess it's oh, let's see. Here's the notes. You can see those notes. Check them out if you want. But yeah. All right. So yeah, that's it. I ain't trying to hold you guys too long. Just got a box in. I figured might as well share it with my people. Anyway, how much time? Oh man, this is going long. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I ain't gonna hold you any longer. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here going through these new fragrances that I just cracked open with you today. Until next time, it's your boy Will. Deuces.